I think the main thing for me is, you know, when I came out of my embrace and I sat down with Mikas for a consultation, and he sat in front of me and he said, you know, if I don't give you everything you've wanted, 100%, you know, I'll give you your money back for the embrace, I'll give you your money back for the Choice OS. You know, not only promising to me that anybody in this whole entire world could do anything. I think that was the biggest thing for me, is, you know, writing a song, is that anybody can do anything. We walk around blinded every single day of our lives, I think, as human beings, as limitations. We walk to the store thinking that, you know, we're just going for a head of lettuce and some broccoli or whatnot, and you walk into the store and there's a million fucking different options to choose from. We have these limitations in life, and everything in life is just a limitation. People expect you to just choose one or two things, or you're just good at these one or two things in your life, and you end up believing it. You end up believing you're only good at one or two things, and those are the only two things that you'll ever succeed at. And it's fucking bullshit. We're so good. We're, as human beings, we're fucking amazing at everything we do. And we just don't express that. We just don't live those. We don't live those possibilities in our life. And that's what this workshop was here for. To find out those possibilities. To realize we are good enough. It's not our fault we have these limitations against us. We are good enough. And being good enough is amazing. Amazing.